So i-Orlando Pirates are looking to sign this defensive midfielder igama lakhe u-Augustine Ogechepa. Augustine Ogechepa lo ade ngibheka ama-stats wakhe. Ama-stats wakhe ngeke ngisho ukuthi mahle kakhulu but kwi-Champions League I feel like unayo experience kwi-Champions League ayikho that much. But umdlali lo I think he's 20 years old. Wangu-24 una 20 years old. Usathanda kufika kwisimba ufike kulonyaka lo. Orlando Pirates ade yaqala ummonitor. I think yaqala ukumonitor esadlalela le i-team yase-Nigeria because vele wase-Nigeria esadlalela i-Rivers United. So for me ukuthi ajoin Orlando Pirates I think this is a good move because mubheka iminyaka yakhe izomvumela. Yabo njobe i-defensive midfielder nje sishoda ngawo vele ama-defensive midfielder kwe-Orlando Pirates because mubheka uMakehleni Makaola beno-team iminyaka yabiye bashiya nama-contracts abayahamba. Mubheka laba Raseboja, you wouldn't trust Raseboja as a defensive midfielder. Now Goodman Mosele noNdlondlo you wouldn't trust them. Yabo abadlala bakanje abane experience eAfrica. Ungabadinga ngempela because neminyaka yakho mfana iyamvumela usana 20 years old. Ngiyazi ukhona uJaden Adams. Yabo uJaden Adams naye singakwazi kumlanda. But I don't think isimba SC ingavuma ukuthi imdedele lo mfana lo. Yabo because kuthiwa uyadlala ngempela, uyakwazi ukumaka isenta. Kulo mdlalo esimdinga ku-Orlando Pirates ngiyazi bakhona oMakehleni Makaola bakhona o-team but if you check iminyaka yabo in 3 years time ngeke babe nathi right now babe nathi ku-Orlando Pirates so sidinga kumele sicabange in a long term sidinga abadlali abazohlala iminyaka ku-Orlando Pirates iminyaka cause samthenga umdlalo wase-Nigeria yabo unda usuke eNigeria indawo usuke eNigeria and wayemnandi eNigeria so mina sesithele nalomjida lo Ogechepa. Vese mina ngibona kumdlalo right lo bafethu ngeke ngazi engane yabo ngibona kumdlalo right lo and Orlando Pirates iphushela ukuthi imthole ngoJanuary yabo.